I will show you how you can create amazing marketing visuals with ClipKraft AI. Let's start by going to the persona and product page, and I will select the image blend. Go down to select the first image. Let's select this can, for example. Let's select these shoes, for example. And now we can describe our marketing visual. So I've created a prompt already, and I said naturally blend the shoes onto the empty can on image one. Be creative for marketing visual. The brand name is Nike Energy. I want the tiny Nike shoes together with citrus, apple, and strawberry to come out of the can. So let's see. It usually takes about under a minute to get a result. And there you have it. That's how you can create creative ads with ClipKraft AI. Now we can also download the image and we can see the result. The shoes is on Nike Energy and exactly as prompted. So you can be as creative as you want, of course. Thank you.